Hey boys and girls, it's Ray over here at Honda. Check it out. I got this Dodge Dart Honda Ramp. That's right, 2016, beautiful car, never winter driven, mechanic owned, mechanic maintained, 52,000 K. That works out to not a lot of kilometers a year, all right? Check out the interior. This thing is just beautiful, just a beautiful car. It's clean, like I said, well looked at. Shane, what did I tell you? Get out of the Dodge. You can't have the Dodge. We're gonna sell the Dodge. Go away. Every day. Anyway, come check it out. It's a great car, a little power to it. All right, you know where to find us. 166 Stars Road. We're on the airport stretch. Give us a call, 742-2575. Check us out on the webpage. You can check out this on the webpage. Talk to you later. Have more deals for you next time.